hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm actually filming something I've wanted to film for a very long time. However, finding the right time is really difficult because something like this takes basically the entire weekend, not only to film the video, but also to recover enough to go back to work on Monday. But basically, I'm going to be attempting to read for 24 hours. So I'm actually not going to be doing this video on my own. My friend Becky is on her way to pick me up now. We are actually going to pop into town quickly as I need to get a few things for another video, and we might pop into the works while we're there. But basically we're going to go to her house and read for 24 hours straight. I am actually really scared because if you guys know me personally, you will know that I love sleep. Like, sleep is very important to me. It's very important for me to kind of be able to function. So I don't know how far we're going to get. I don't know if we're going to complete it, but we're going to try our best. And I thought I would sit down now quickly and show you all the books I'm going to be taking with me. And yeah, so let's dive into that. I am so scared, so nervous, but I am very excited. So firstly, I am going to be taking my Kindle simply because I've got a few books downloaded on here, but also I can download more if I need to. I am a very avid mood reader. I don't really like to stick to a TBR, which a lot of the times is why I don't actually get through all my TBR. It's because I like to mood read. So I am going to be taking my Kindle. Then book-wise, the first one I'm going to take is Lucian and Dahlia by Willow Winters and Lauren Landish. Now, I mainly picked this one up because the last book in this kind of discrete series I managed to finish within about 6 hours. So I feel like this is a really good one to go for. It's literally 250 pages long. It's not overly long. So I picked this one up hopefully just to like get me in that momentum and get me through some books. So that's the first one. I'm then taking The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. I've heard really good things about this book and I feel like a good thriller might kind of keep me awake a little bit. So that is basically why I picked this one up. I have actually downloaded this on my Kindle as well, so I can kind of read on both or depending on how I'm feeling, but that is the second book I'm taking with me. Then I've decided to pick up Never Never by Colleen Hoover, and I mainly picked this one up because I find Colleen Hoover books are very easy to read, very quick, very kind of, you don't have to concentrate very much. So that is why I've picked this one up. This one is just over 300 pages. So again, nothing too long. That is the key we're going for here. We're going for quantity, not size. So that is the next one. I'm then taking Empire of Lust by J.L. Beck. This was part of my Authors Do My Book Haul video and I haven't yet picked it up and I really want to get the rest of the series. So I need to dive into this one. Again, this one is just under 300 pages and the kind of font is relatively large. So that is why I'm taking this one. It's a good excuse to get it through, and yeah, that is the next book I'm taking. And then lastly, for physical books, I'm taking Maggie Moves On. This is part of mine and Becky's book club pick, so I definitely need to get through this one this month. And I know that Becky is currently reading this one at the moment, and so is other Becky, so it gets quite confusing. They're both called Becky, but yeah, we're basically going to be reading this together, so I definitely need to take this one as well. So those are all of the books I'm taking physically, and then obviously, as I said, I am taking my Kindle as well. I'm hoping to get through a decent chunk. I've never read straight for 24 hours, so I could get through one book, I could get through 4, I don't know. So let's dive into this video. I am so scared but so excited. So I need to finish packing. I'm going to drop these, hang on. So yeah, those are all the books I'm taking. I'm now going to carry on packing because Becky is en route to me, if not already here. So I need to get going, but yes, I'm very nervous, very excited. Let's go. Made it to Becky's house. Obviously, here's Becky. Hello. We also grabbed a Starbucks, so iced caramel macchiato. Obviously, you know how it is by now. We decided also to buy each other a book off our Amazon wish list to switch and then read in this video. So I have mine. I actually bought it from Waterstones, hence the wrapping. So I thought I'd keep the bag and hide it for you. So I thought we could open them on camera. Do you want to go first?
Okay.
I know. I was so scared.
I nearly bought this in the works earlier.
I was looking at you and I was like, yeah, you don't want to buy that one. It's not good. But yeah, I seen it on your wish list and I was like, I have it, so I want you to read it. So yeah, that is all I went for.
Rom-com vibes.
Yeah, that's what I thought. A nice easy read. Exactly. That was my thought process. So that's why I went for that one. But oh my God, I have been wanting to read this book for so long. You have no idea. So this is My Dark Romeo by L.J. Shen and Parker S. Huntington.
I purely got it because I love the cover.
Yeah, me too. That's why I put it on my list.
But it's not a long one either.
No, it's a nice short one. That's why I went for that, because I thought I could pick you something that's so chunky, but I don't want you to be reading it for the next 24 hours. So I am excited to read this. I am going to actually start, I think, with this one, because I just know that I'm going to fly through this, I hope. That's my plan.
Yeah, it's nice.
Something easy. It's like 200.
Look how big the font is as well.
I know. We love a big font. Do you know what I mean?
Amazing.
So that's what I'm going to start with. What are you going to start with?
I am currently like 50% through Maggie Moves On by Lucy Score, which is our little book club pick of the
Exactly.
month. So,
So I think we're going to start at 1.
yeah.
I think
good.
start at 1 and then we're going to read for 24 hours. Let's get ready.
Let's go.
I'm scared, not going to lie. In, and I thought we could do a little update check-in situation. So I am on page 71 and I'm using my phone as a bookmark. So yeah, nothing really has happened yet, to be honest. It's like a dark romance, so if you're not into dark romances you probably won't like these. They're very like heavy, so yeah, I don't know, but it is good. I'm 70 pages in, but like I said, nothing's really happened yet. How are you getting on with your book?
Yeah, good. I was on like 45%, I'm on 55% now.
Love it.
So yeah, it's going good. It's a cute little rom-com.
Love it. I have that to read,
so we can talk about it.
I know, I really want to read it, but I'm just trying to get through all like the little ones first, just so I can get them out of the way. But yeah, it is, what time is it? 2:30. So I think we're gonna possibly go down to the Pebble Beach at some point, which would be nice. It's also really cold all of a sudden. It was really hot earlier and now it's freezing. So I think we're gonna go down to the Pebble Beach, hopefully get like a hot coffee, the third coffee of the day. I feel like we're gonna be all coffeeed out by the end of it.
I might have to mix it up a bit, get like a hot chocolate or something.
Do you know what? I might actually join you, or like at least a mocha.
Yeah.
So it's got
both.
the coffee, but also the chocolate
coziness,
flavour.
the hot chocolate.
Exactly, yeah, I think I might do that. So we're going to do that, but I think we're going to just chill for a little bit. Also, I've put my joggers on, which doesn't match my outfit at all anymore. Anyway, we're going to go. Okay, so we are going to the beach, Pebble Beach area, very excited, and we're going to go get another coffee. Yeah. Because
nice.
Why not? So I'm very excited about that. We're going to get, I might get a mocha.
Yeah, I think a mocha or a hot chocolate.
Something different.
But fun fact though, the pier that we're going to go to is the one that One Direction filmed on for you and I.
Very cool. Okay, I'll show you guys that when we get there. But yeah, gonna go get coffee. It stopped raining, so let's go. We've made it to the little Pebble Beach. So cute. We've grabbed a coffee from this like Barber Cross coffee shop. It was so cute and the guy was really nice, so we have that. Then we went into a really cute little bookshop and I picked up this. It was on my wish list, so I'm counting it as an okay purchase and it was fine to buy it. So
and we're supporting a local business.
Exactly. So really I'm just doing a favour. So now we're just going to sit here, do some reading and enjoy the relaxing beach sound. Yeah, the rare bit of sunshine. Literally it was pouring down with rain about an hour ago, as you would have seen, and now it is beautiful out, so we love to see it. Oh, and that's the pier where One Direction did their video. So
they did the scaffolding.
Yeah, the scaffolding is ruining it, but never mind. So yeah.
I'm getting older, but I still can't read a vibe. 'Cause my world is on fire, but we're saying we're doing fine. I never thought I'd make it here past 25. Ooh, but maybe I just overthinking and wasting time. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad, I make it up to deal. 'Cause I just need to see what the hell it's supposed to mean, so I can make it better, make it real. That's just how I feel. I think it over, but I can't convince myself. Corporation got a stake in mental health. the colored lights? Is the whole world gray, or am I too blind to the fact that I just make it harder whenever I say that it's not? Maybe I'm being stupid for being a martyr. Maybe it's time that I stop. 'Cause I don't wanna know.
So we are 5 hours and 15 minutes into the 24 hours and we're just chilling out. We've got little chickpea just chilling. Let me just try and focus on in a second. Can you focus on?
Can you face the camera, please?
Look.
There she is.
Oh, she's so cute. If you guys didn't know, I used to have hamsters, so like I just love her so much.
Yeah, she's my
so
little baby.
Cute. And we bought some strawberries from Asda earlier, so I think she deserves a little
Get
strawberry.
a little treat.
I am currently 210 pages in of 289 pages, so I have 79 pages, that's quick maths, left of my book. These, I feel like with these books, I don't know if any of you guys have read them, but nothing really happens. Like, there's not loads of plot, if that makes sense, but it's good. I'm enjoying it. It's like a 3 to 4 star read at the moment. It's going well. How are you getting on with your book?
Yeah, good. I'm on page 349 of 403.
Okay, so wait, what page are you on?
347.
347. Oh, so you have like 50 pages left, 56 pages left. That's doable.
Nearly there.
Yeah, we have
Yeah,
literally
77% in.
Yeah, okay, so we could finish it roughly the same time. Hopefully we can finish this. I think we should get some snacks out because I'm hungry. So that is where we're at with our books, and it is not raining at the moment. Weather
It's
update.
also nearly sunset time.
It is nearly sunset time, so hopefully I'll be able to film sunset, so that'll be nice. But yeah, anyway, gonna continue and have a snack because we're starving, so goodbye. I have finished it. It took me, I don't know how long it took me because we've had dinner also, but it's 8 PM now, so we've been reading for 7 hours. But I don't think it took me 7 hours. I think that probably, because we walked to the beach, I think that must have taken me, what, 5 hours? But like, it was only 270 pages. Well, actually, that's not bad. I'll take that. It was okay. But yeah, I gave it 3 stars. Not my favourite, not my least favourite. It was just an easy read. So we're now going to read The Housemaid because I feel like I need a bit of a change. I don't want spice. I'm not. That was a lot. So we're going to do that. And apparently a typical time to read is 6 hours and 45 minutes. Halfway, so excited about that. I have 129 pages of The Housemaid left and it's so good. I've literally been like laughing. It's just funny, but it's so good. Like, I don't think it's supposed to be funny, but bits of it have just been hilarious, so I've been really enjoying it. And you switched books, didn't you?
Yeah, I wasn't feeling Daisy Hates. It just, there's no plot to it, and I needed something to grip me. So really redeemed by Lauren Asher now.
How are you feeling about it?
I love it. I'm on chapter 10, 21% in.
It's 7 AM. We definitely fell asleep last night. It got, I think I got to like 2:15 and I thought I was gonna have a half an hour nap, and I did set my alarm, and now it's all of a sudden 7:15. It's so hard to stay awake for 24 hours. I'm gonna continue because I don't have much of my book left. I'm gonna continue reading anyway. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Oh, coffee would be so good right now. I feel like hungover. I'm so tired. Anyway, I'm gonna continue reading my book and then, yeah, have a coffee, wake up. Just finished The Housemaid. Such a good book. I liked it a lot more than I thought. It was a 5 star. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Did you rate this a 5 star?
I think I did.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was really good. I liked all the twists and turns, and I like not knowing, although I kind of had like suspicions about what was going on, but not all of it towards the end. But it was really good, so I do recommend it if you want a good book to keep you on your toes. I highly recommend. But now I need to pick what I want to read. I have still got 4 books to choose from, and I know I need to read Maggie Moves On, but I don't know if I'm in the mood. I'm gonna do this one. Diving in. This is what we're reading. So I am back home now, and I would have to say this video was definitely a fail. Me and Becky did not manage to stay awake for even near 24 hours. I think we managed to read for about 13 and a half hours, which I will take as a little win, but honestly it was so hard to stay awake, especially because we woke both up probably about 7:30, 8 o'clock that morning. We were already awake for about 5 to 5.5 hours before we started the challenge, so we were awake for, what is that, like 18 hours anyway, so it was really difficult. So I think if I was to do this again, I would definitely start the challenge as soon as I wake up and go from then. But I thought I would sit down and share with you all the books I managed to get through, because I did manage to get through 2 books and start a 3rd one, which I will take as a win. I think that's really good, so I'm really impressed with myself. So the first book that I picked up, you guys would have seen, was Lucian and Dahlia by Willow Winters and Lauren Landish, which I love the Discreet series. They're so easy for me to read. I think I got through this one within about 6 hours or so, but obviously we did go to the beach in that time, so maybe 5 hours, 5.5 hours, something like that. It was a good book. I gave this one 3 stars. There wasn't as much plot in this as I would like. It was a lot more based on the spice sort of side of it, but it was really good. It was a really easy read, and as I've said, I do love the Discreet series by Willow Winters, so that was a good start for me. And then I went on to The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. I loved this book. I had been putting off reading this book. I don't know why. I think the big hype of it really scared me and I didn't want to hate it, but it was so good. If you liked Verity by Colleen Hoover, you will love this. It had that similar vibe, very easy to read, and it was just really good, so I highly recommend it. And it again was just such an easy read for me that it made it fun to read, if that makes sense, and you don't really think about the time so much. So that was the second book I read, and I gave that one a 5-star. And then the 3rd book that I started was Empire of Lust by J.L. Beck. I got this one in my authors do my book haul video, and I really have been looking forward to reading it. This one is a mafia best friend's dad vibe. It is really good. I'm 50 pages in so far, and I'm really enjoying it, so I'm excited to finish it and sort of dive into this series. But that is the 3rd book I started in this challenge, and I'm really impressed that I managed to get through 2 and a little bit. So even though we didn't manage to stay awake for 24 hours, I'm not disappointed, because we got to hang out, we had some really great snacks, and I read some great books, so I'm going to take it as a win. If you guys would like to see any more reading challenges on my channel, do let me know down below, and also, as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button, as it helps me out so much and I would really appreciate it. And yeah, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!